is Moses Tao, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you few arpeggios you can add up to your playing that will make you to sound like great guys like Aaron Lindsay, Calvin Bond, Corey Henry, and so on. Like it's very simple. The first one is just 5-note arpeggios, which is, I'll do it again. What do I do? It's just a breakdown. Okay, that was what I do when I play the song. So you have it like this. So the last one which I used to end the music is this. I just raised the beat. This G, I raised it to G sharp. A, I raised it to A sharp. So I run it on that same. The first one is this G, A, C, D, E. Repeated. G, A, C, D, E, G, A, C, D, E. You now use a pedal to balance the sign to make it like a water that is falling down. Okay, now you now raise it up. G sharp and A sharp. I'll do it again. These are just few arpeggios you can add up. You can use them to end any song. You can use them to start a song, depending on how you can apply them. But we advise you that you repeat them several times until it becomes part of you. Don't forget the first one is G, A, C, D, E, G, A, C, D, E. So you have it. The second one is G sharp, A sharp, C, D, E again. G sharp, A sharp, C, D, E, and so on. So I'll just use them again in Mary Had a Little Lamb so that you can learn and see. You have enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to this video and click the notification box so that you can get more of our videos coming. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.